what is the cheapest Tesla at the moment. Let's take a look at Tesla's website. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you use it, you can currently get a discount of $1,000. Note, right now, Tesla is also offering a campaign with 0% APR. The cheapest Tesla is the rear-wheel drive version of the Tesla Model 3, so let's go with the Model 3 here. All right, let's take a look at the different options that could impact the total price of the long-range rear-wheel version. When you click on the monthly payment option, you'll see a screen like this with additional financing details and options to adjust your estimated savings. Be sure to review each option carefully, as they can impact the final price you see. This box applies the federal tax credit, which is available for qualified electric vehicle buyers in the US. The tax credit can help lower the cost of the car by reducing your tax bill by up to $7,500. Make sure to check if you qualify for this benefit based on the latest government criteria. This estimated savings calculation shows how much you might save on fuel over 5 years by driving an electric car instead of a gas-powered one. This option adds the estimated taxes and fees to the total cost of the vehicle. These additional costs vary by state or region and can include things like sales tax, registration fees, and other charges associated with purchasing a new car. Here we can see Tesla's leasing options for the Model 3, starting at an estimated $299 per month. Now, let's look at the financing options. With an estimated monthly payment of $568, you can customize the down payment and term length. Tesla offers a promotional APR as low as 1.99%, with some qualified buyers eligible for 0% APR. You can also apply the federal tax credit and estimated gas savings here. Remember that the total value might be higher if you choose white interior, other wheels, charging cable, FSD, and other accessories. For the Tesla Model 3, the lowest price you can get, if you're eligible for the federal tax credit, is $36,630. This price includes destination and order fees, making it a more affordable entry point for a new Tesla. Remember, if you use my link in the description, you'll be eligible for a $1,000 discount. If you found value in this video and want to watch more Tesla tutorials to help you with your new Tesla, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.